Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can color correct in Capcut. So let's get started. As you can see that I have created a project in Capcut and we're going to do color correction for this video. So the first thing we have to do is click on the video like this until this option appeared on your screen. Then we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find adjust button. And wait guys, and this is the adjust button, so you just have to tap on it. And if we want to do color correction, we can select a grab. But wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and if we want to do color correction, we can scroll our screen until we find grabs, and this is the grab, so just tap on it. Then we can adjust the color. You just need to tap on this line to create point. So I'm going to tap on the line. And wait guys. Okay, and this is the point that I have just created, and we can drag this point to adjust the color. You can drag it up or you can drag it down. For example, like this. You can tap on the point, then you can drag it. Okay. Then for the red color, I'm going to tap on it. Then we can do dragging like this. Oops, like this. And for the green color, but I think I don't want to adjust the green color, so for the blue color I'm going to add point like this, and we can drag it. And if you want to delete the point, you can double click on the point. Okay, and let's see the result guys. So just play the video. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can color correct in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.